Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. In this video, I get to show you how I finished my project for Mystery Yarn Challenge 1122, hosted by Armchair Chef. I gotta say, I like how this project turned out. You may have seen other videos that I made. Oh, careful. My basket, and I am liking how this turned out. It's almost like a checkered, I guess it is, and it isn't quite a checkered pattern because it kind of looks like that. I don't know, it's checkered, but it kind of runs into each other a little bit. But yeah, I like how this turned out. So obviously the green, was the two. Where is that one? Do I have them in here yet? Here it is. I have quite a bit of yarn left over. Like I have a bunch of this left and that left. Still have an unused skein of Man's Choice. Quite a bit of this left over. I also still have an untouched ball of this, of Kabuki. So I don't know if I'm going to make another project with all this yarn I have left over, but just wanted to show off my finished project. That is all. I mean, it's a short video to show how it turned out. I am not sure. I don't know when her next challenge is going to be. I don't know. She'll have one in December. In January for me, it will be a little bit busy because I'll be on vacation. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do January yet. So yeah, this is it. Short video. Finished project. So I hope, yeah, I'll have to go out and check any other people's projects. And make sure you check out Armchair Chef and her challenge and her videos. So that is all I have. And I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.